In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Godaddy domain to Hostinger. Start by opening your browser and searching for Godaddy. Click the official result to head to the home page, then sign in to your account. Once you're in, go to your domain portfolio, find the domain you want to move, and open its details page. In the Overview section, locate Domain Privacy and switch it off. Turning off privacy temporarily makes your registrant contact visible so the transfer confirmations can reach you. Before moving on, double-check that the contact email on the domain is current and accessible, because you'll need to receive and approve messages during this process. Next, look for the transfer area. Disable the domain lock and choose Transfer to another registrar. A new page or tab will open with the transfer flow. Click Continue to proceed. You'll see an option to reveal your authorization code, often called the EPP code. Click to display it, then copy it and keep it handy. Treat this code like a password and avoid sharing it publicly. Now open a new tab and search for Hostinger. Click the official site and log in. In your dashboard, go to the Domain section and select Transfers. Enter the domain name you're moving from Godaddy, then paste the authorization code into the appropriate field. Hostinger will guide you through a few configuration choices, including DNS. If you intend to host your website on Hostinger, the simplest route is to select Use Hostinger name servers and DNS records. If your DNS is managed elsewhere and you want everything to stay exactly as it is during the move, you can keep your existing name servers. Either choice can work. Just pick the one that matches how you plan to manage your site after the transfer. Follow the prompts to finalize the transfer order. You'll see any applicable transfer fees during checkout. In many cases, this also adds a year to your domain's registration period. After submitting, keep an eye on your email inbox for confirmation messages and approval links. Approving promptly can help speed up the process. Transfers typically take about 5 to 7 days to complete, and throughout that time, your website and email should continue to function as usual. You can monitor progress from both the Godaddy and Hostinger dashboards. Once the transfer finishes, you'll manage the domain entirely from your Hostinger account, and you'll be ready for hosting, DNS adjustments, and any future updates you want to make.